I'm Barney Frank, and you're gonna pay more money every day. Cause I got a friend who's in charge now, and those Bush tax cuts will soon go away. My friend's Barack, and you're gonna be in trouble.
Hey la, my friend's Barack.
When you see him coming, your tax is gonna double.
Hey la, my friend's Barack.
You've been stashing cash, cause that's what rich guys do.
Hey la, my friend's Barack.
So look out now, Barack is coming after you.
Hey la, my friend's Barack.
Yeah, he knows what you've been hoarding. I got you for 1040. Barack's in charge now, and he knows just what you need.
Hey la, my friend's Barack.
Nancy Pelosi, me, and Harry Reid.
Hey la, my friend's Barack.
You're gonna be sorry you made fun of me.
Hey la, my friend's Barack.
Cause standing in the soup line is where you're gonna be.
Hey la, my friend's Barack.
Soon your cash will be fleeting, and you're gonna take a beating. Why would you think I would ever tell lies? Yeah, your bank account is big, but we'll cut it down to size. Just you wait and see. Now my friend's Barack, he's got a Marxist reputation.
Hey la, my friend's Barack.
If I were you, I'd take a socialist vacation.
Hey la, my friend's Barack.
Soon your cash will be fleeting. Yeah, I'll make sure you take a beating. My friend's Barack, and he's coming after you.
Hey la, my friend's Barack.
Okay, Dasher and Geithner don't pay taxes. Yeah, you CEOs, you'll get the axes. My friend Barack is coming after you. Got a little chill there.